Hello everyone! So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the new Fenty Beauty cream blushes that just came out. I'm super excited. I was able to get the full collection. So there are 10 colors in the collection and they are $20 each. You can get them from Sephora or you can get them from the Fenty Beauty website. It is a cream blush that comes in just a lot of fun colors. It is, when you apply it, a sheer dewy coverage, but it is definitely very, very buildable, which is what I really like about it. Look at that red. I just die. So I've been playing with these for a few days now, and I have found that you can apply them with a brush, you can apply them with your finger, or you can apply them with a sponge. And the application is really pretty much the same. It does come off very, very sheer, but then it goes to, like I said, a buildable coverage. Drama Class is probably my favorite. It is the one that drew me to the collection because I've never seen a blush like this before. This color purple, just something so bold, so fun. So once I saw this color, I knew I needed it. And it turned out to be one of my favorites in the collection. One thing that kind of got me about these blushes though is the size, and that's what everyone on social media has been commenting on, is the size of them. They are rather small. I don't know how I feel about it because it is $20 and I have other blushes that are a quarter of the price. And I just feel like I get a bigger pan and more product. But with that being said, the quality is super, super nice. And it is Fenty, so you are kind of paying for luxury. So I guess that kind of does even it out a little bit, but they are quite small. I was quite taken aback by that. But I'm going to swatch the whole collection for you, and then I'll do a demonstration of my favorite way to apply it on my face. I'm probably going to use Drama Class for that because I've seen a lot of people say that this color is unwearable or that it's too much or it wouldn't look good on their skin tone. Can't speak for the lighter skin tones, but I know definitely for darker skin tones, this is a beautiful color. So let's get in with the swatches. Okay, so I moved you all in a little closer so I could show you the demo part of how I apply the cream blush. So I think my favorite way to apply it is either with my finger or with a damp beauty sponge. So I can show you both, one on one side and one on the other. So like I said before, I'm going to take Drama Class and I will go in with a wet sponge. If you are the type of person who doesn't like a lot of blush, just like sheer coverage, just a nice flush, then I really think this is the blush for you. Me, on the other hand, I like an overloaded blush, like I've said before. So if you can't see it from like a mile away, I'm not wearing enough. So this is a product that I really like to layer on. See, as you can see, it just adds a nice flush of color. And I like to bring my blush up. And as you can see on this side, it just, again, adds just a nice flush of color. So that side was with the sponge. This side I'm gonna do with my finger. So I just go in. And there it is, applied on both sides, one with a finger, one with a sponge. Again, you can also use a brush. Fenty has a brush that comes on their website. Oh, and I think on the Sephora website too, but it's like $34 and I was not ready to invest that. But it's specifically for like their cream products. But again, this was Drama Class, and it just adds a nice flush and a nice glow. It does dry down a little bit, but it does stay this kind of dewy, which I like I prefer that. But I'm sure you could set it with powder. I haven't tried yet though. What I also really like about this, all the cream blushes, is that you can use them on your cheeks, you can use them as a highlighter, you can use them on your lips. I've used it as eyeshadow. Fuego Flush is really pretty as like a cream eyeshadow. I'll add a little bit. Oh, it does come with a cute little mirror inside too. So I'll just add a little bit to like the center of my lids. You can just do a really cute like all over lid look. Just add some dimension. So that's Fuego Flush just on the center of my lid. As you can see, it just adds a bit of shine and sparkle and dimension to the look. So there are a ton of uses. They really are nice layered too. There was another one that I wanted to try. Strawberry Dip is a lot of fun also. So if I just wanted to go over again, just really pretty layered also. So yeah, that is my kind of review synopsis of the new Fenty Beauty cream blushes. If you are looking for something that's a little sheer, a little glowy, these would be perfect. Again, you can get them at Sephora or on the Fenty Beauty website. And yeah, that's my review and swatches. Thanks guys.